Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I hope the lighting is okay. I kind of want to do the window today. A little lighting in the back. Okay, ignore the mess back there. So I'm going to try a product that someone had asked me to try very recently. It came really fast. And when you guys asked me to try a product, I really try to look it up that second so that, you know, if I want to get it or not, I'll look into it and I'm like, oh, okay. And the product is Kristin Ess Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream. This is an air dry cream. This is for all hair types. Frizz calming, shine restoring, softening and smoothing, time saving. I don't know about the time saving. The time saving I think is because they're saying you only need one product, but I always only use one product. I am never gonna spend hours with a little bit of this, a little bit of that, some cream, some this, some that, some oil fit. Give me one product and I'm done. I'm done. Like, I just don't do that. That's just not how one product is enough. And put more of it in. If you need more, put more of it. But, you know, again, that's me. If your hair just does perfect with these combinations of a few products, then don't stop. I would say just keep doing it. Now, I never air dry my curls. You guys want me to do it all the time, and I don't because I don't like the way my hair comes out. It takes forever for my hair to dry. I say this every time, but I'll just say it again in case it's the first time you're watching this. My hair is naturally thick, coarse, dry, and I have a lot of it. I need a lot of product. My hair sucks up any moisture it goes in. It's just gonna suck it right up. No matter what I do, that's just my natural hair, and it's okay. So I'm used to putting a certain amount in, and I usually don't like to air dry because it takes forever for my hair to dry. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it today because it's a beautiful day out. Let me read the back of this first. I've always dreamed of that wash and go life. Now it's just reality. If you only have time for one product, let this be the one. It smooths, adds shine, separation, and texture. What more could you want? It can be used on any hair texture, straight, curly, thick, fine, or frizzy to achieve effortlessly polished look. That's interesting. Fine and thick hair? If it could work on anything, then I'm curious. It says to air dry freshly cleaned hair about halfway or until your natural wave pattern starts to form. I think to me that just means damp hair, so let me just do that. I mean, that's basically halfway, right? Damp. Okay. Actually, look, that's right out of the... You could see my curls already forming. Work a dime to quarter-sized amount of this through your hair and allow it to finish air drying. Optional, scrunch hair as needed. All right, well, I can't listen to how much because I need a lot. I just explained to you guys. So I know by the consistency of the product how much I'm gonna need. And this is not like a thick butter. This is a very light, it's pretty lightweight. So I think I can like be okay, but I won't know until I actually put it in my hair, which is what I'm gonna do. Now, like, I feel like I don't need to read the instructions on how to apply the product because that's like whatever you normally would do. We're gonna air dry the hair though. It might not take that long. My hair's not that long anymore. Who knows? It feels really nice. It does feel really silky. Oh my God. I'm thinking I'm getting ready to like diffuse. I really want to diffuse because I feel like it's gonna come out good diffused. What do? Should I diffuse half my hair and see what comes better? See the difference? I'm just so curious to see how it comes out with it diffused. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let's diffuse half our hair because I'm a diffuser person. I don't like to air dry my hair. I just don't like to do it. But this is an air dry product. So I feel like I have to, but I don't want to. So I'm gonna only do half. And then we'll see. If this came out like really good, then I'll air dry, but it might be like 3 hours later. Let's see. Let's do that. My daughter's moved back home and it's already starting. I had to replug this in, and I'm gonna tell you right now, you'll probably hear me screaming all the way from where you are if I deal with this every day. I'm not putting up with it, and they know that, and I keep saying it. Okay guys, my hair is half dry, diffused on this side and still air drying on this side. And do you see, this is why I like diffuse, because it gives the lift that air drying just doesn't have. And I know it's still wet. And as it's air drying, I could play with it and fluff it up, but I can't touch it until it's definitely dry. And then I could fluff it. And I'm gonna tell you something, it is a different look because I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try and air dry this side so that we could see the difference between air dry and diffuse. And you can tell me which side you like better. Maybe this will come out better, but even if it does, I'm gonna be honest with you, it's just not for me because I have no patience. And that's the only reason, that's the main reason. No, actually I just don't like the way it looks, but another reason is I just don't have the patience to walk around with wet hair. Like right now, being that my head is even wet here, it bothers me. Like I feel like I'm getting, not a headache, but like I feel like my head's cold. I don't like it. I don't like it. So that's all it is. It's a matter of preference, you know? But this product came out good, by the way. I feel like I need to tone my hair. I think I see a little tinge of like greenish or something. But I like this product. It does it. My hair feels soft. Not soft because that's not what I have. We're gonna let this air dry. I'm gonna have you guys watch it. I hardly touched it. Guys, it's okay. It's almost like, not that it's dry, but it's like that gel feeling look. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna follow along. My hair feels smooth. It looks smooth. I'm actually really impressed with this product. Thank you. Whoever suggested this to me, thank you. When I say my daughter's at home, it also means my baby. It means this guy. I love him. I love you. I love you. You want to say hi? I have lipstick on. I don't want to get lipstick on you. Is he not like... See, as much as I love Wilma, she doesn't cuddle me like this. Okay? Go ahead. He's 18 months. His name is Crouton, and I love him. He's my grandpa. All right, guys, so this is it. Let's go. Oh, let me show you my backyard. I'll show you my backyard. It's not done. It's like going so slow, but it's getting there. Let's go in the back, see how this air dries. And, yeah. I mean, honestly, I'm very tempted to just diffuse the rest of this hair, but I know that you're gonna yell at me to say, can you just try the product for what it's meant for? Not saying that that's how you sound, but I would be like that, like, come on already, stop. I never listen to rules, but I will this time, sorta. But I feel like we should see how it looks both ways, because I'm not gonna air dry every day. It's just not gonna do it. I'm doing this for you guys, but I can guarantee you that this is what I'm gonna do every day. Not every day, but every time I use this product. Okay, I'm outside. I'm not touching this side. I'm not touching it, but let me show you. So far, I don't have a yard, I have a deck. Again, it's not done at all. But when you walk out, it's the door. We got this, which is new. Guys, this is so much nicer than I thought it was. It's from Walmart. Walmart.com. But the name brand is Better Home and Gardens, which I didn't even know. And I was like, wow, this is so much nicer than I thought. The quality is actually really, really nice. I don't know if you could see. It's like not, I thought it was going to be really cheap. It's not. So it did come with more pillows, but the only problem is it gets dirty. Like there's poop on it already from a bird. Like, I don't know. I want to put something on it every night because that's like really irritating. That is temporary because I have to put a gate up, and it's for him and Wilma, because Wilma's bad. She runs off sometimes and roams around the neighbors' lawns. This has to get potted in there. This has to get potted in there, etc., etc. Our fire pit. And that's it. I got all grown flowers this year because we usually go small because my husband's cheap, and he goes, let's get the small ones and then they'll grow, and then they never grow, and by the end of August they finally look just under this. So I'm like, no, I'm starting big this year. So I got full grown and I planted those. Now guys, I know nothing about flowers like nothing, so I couldn't tell you what name brands of anything these are, and I apologize for that. Don't take gardening tips from me. I don't know if I'm going to leave this here. It's just a little seating area. And then this is the eating area, and I left that chair there because why not? It doesn't really take up any space, so we can push this all the way up. And these are the gates we just installed for him and Wilma. And I'm kind of, I went back and forth if I should get it in white or this color. I went with that color, and now I kind of wish that I went with a white one, just so it would look more consistent. But I was thinking of this, and now I don't know if that looks silly. These are new. These are shades we just put up. It's not 100% private, but it's private enough. Look at my pretty flower here. Like, for some reason, the owner before us put the prettiest growing like hydrangeas and those flowers that come up every year in the back where and the side of the house where nobody can see them, and not in the front. It pisses me off. And they're too adult to replant, so it's okay. That's it, guys. This is my property, but it's all downhill. It's all downhill. That is a really nice staircase, though. We used to take that when the kids were little, but now it's like overgrown. It kind of looks like a enchanted forest, which I really like. That's my neighbor's property over there. But what they have is what we have here. You just can't see it. What am I doing with that? You know how much money that's going to cost me to fill or whatever? Go get your ball. Where's your ball? It's over there. Today is Alina's birthday, and her friend here is here to visit, and they went down with Sophia to get lunch, and then they're going to go out to dinner tonight, and I don't want to go. It's a young kid thing, you know? So, yeah, they're going to do that, and I don't know what I'm doing today, but I look really silly like this. You're going to see it's so much more puffier, but I like it more volume. I mean, it's drying, but it's definitely not dry yet. See, and then I feel like maybe, oh, actually I could do this now. Look, look, look. It's not coming out bad. Maybe I will start saving time in the summer and do this. Why not? If it's hot out, what's the big deal? Because this does look good. Guys, this happens every time. He just doesn't leave her alone. Like, Crouton, please tell me if you guys know what I'm supposed to say when she gets mad. You hear her? Okay, Crouton, good boy. Come here. Go get your ball. Crouton, where's your ball? Go get your ball. Go get your ball. Where's a good boy? Now watch, he'll bite her tail. Go get your ball. It's like he's mad because she doesn't know how to play. It's not her fault. It's okay, Wilma. Good boy. Guys, look how much better my hair looks. Okay, air drying. You know what? It's damp, but I'm going to be honest with you. It really... It didn't take as long as... I mean, it's really wet underneath, but... See, I don't know. Now I feel like I feel like my hair's frizzier when I air dry it. But let's see. Let's give it a little more time. Alright, let me go play ball. It doesn't end. Alright, come on. Get your ball. Get your ball. Go get your ball. Crouton. Crouton. One thing about him is, if you do not pay attention to him and you pay attention to someone else, or the phone, or the camera, he does not like it. He wants all the attention. He wants all the attention. Right? I have to go because Joe's waiting for me and I'm so late. But I just want to show you because I'm about to go out in the car and my hair's going to get really messy. I just want to hairspray this part. But my hair looks good. I mean, it's really light. I really like this product. It's a messier curl to me, but I kind of like it because it doesn't look like I have a lot of product in, but it kept my hair defined. So, that being said, I'm going to go run out, get something to eat, and I will check in later, and so far, so good. Like, if you don't get it done, if you don't get those curls right, that's it. You're stuck with that the whole day. Hello, hello. It is the next day, and guess what I did? Yes, I air dried my hair. I semi-air dried it. I don't know why I can say air dried it. Air dried it. I didn't take a picture halfway through. I'm so angry. But like, my daughter said it best. She said we were all laughing because I look like a wet dog, like her dog after he's all wet. And I was like, So, but I saw that the definition was there. So I went when it was the top, I guess you could say, is dry. and I went with my diffuser and I went underneath and I gave it some lift, and that really did help give it a nice lift. Look how nice the curls look. Look at that curl. So, I love this product and I think it's great for the summer when I just want to air dry, and I'll fully air dry as the summer goes on, but I was in a rush because I do have to go somewhere. Wearing my dress from Lascana. Don't know that if you saw my TikTok video, but I also have, oh, maybe that's going to be my next video. I have a lot of dresses that I want to show you guys that I got. Very different than my usual. Oh, it's you? I didn't know if it was you or you. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yes, Mama. Oh, here we go. Can't give him I can't give her attention and not give him attention. He gets so jealous. I'm not down with my closet. I have to put those away, but I wanted to fluff them up in the dryer. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm going to say goodbye, and I will see you in the next video, whatever it may be. Yeah. See you then.